Hi. So today there were two words on my heart: deposits and withdrawals. Deposits and withdrawals. Of course you know what those are, but I'll just attempt a definition. A deposit is when you invest something. And because I'm talking about we musicians and leaders of worship in the church, a deposit is when you invest something into your team. A withdrawal is when you make a request of your team. So you ask things from them, right? What has been on my heart is that most times we make more withdrawals than we do deposits, and it's about time that we change the narrative. If you are a leader of any kind, particularly in the ministry of worship through music, the rest of the leaders feel free to indulge, but I'm talking to musicians. Let us become people that make deposits into our teams. Invest time in them, invest care, invest a phone call, invest an encouraging word, invest a smile, invest something. Before we go asking, come for 2 practices, 13 practices, 15 hours, and we just take and take and take, and then it becomes discouraging. The other thing that I have been learning today is that where ministry is done in teams, maintenance is required. Maintenance is required. The same way you'd service your car, the same way you'd service your guitar. Most people don't, but you need to clean the strings, do all of those things. If you are a keyboard player, you need to be cleaning your keyboard, not we find a dusty, ramshackle thing. Same things for drummers, same things for all of those people. But yeah, maintenance is required. Here's the thing, systems, they don't last forever. Systems don't last forever. We tend to get into a routine system of doing things, and then we forget that we work with people. So systems don't last forever. I will speak more about that at another time. The other thing that we must know is that caring for people cannot be automated. Nowadays we want stems, we want click tracks. We don't want to do hard work nowadays. And we want everything to be made easier now. Caring for people, deposits, those you cannot automate. You must make a personal deposit. You must care for people personally. I cannot send a representative to care for you if I am your leader. I would have to do that myself. So you might want to dispute that, that is fine. But you can't automate that. I can't delegate the care of my team to someone else. Alright? The last thing I want to say, in the matter of deposits versus withdrawals, is this: that it is excellence in the small things that makes the difference. The small things, not the things that people see. As a matter of fact, you are a better leader when we can't see you. If we can see you all the time, my friend, you need to check your leadership style. The Lord bless you.